Hey guys, welcome to week 7. I'm going to do a run through as usual, just in case you get confused about anything. So this week, I just want to make sure that you complete an end of the year student survey and then also complete one of the activities from the choice board, just like you've been doing the last 2 weeks. So for the survey, you're going to go to this slide and you're going to see this. Essentially, you've already taken this survey before during the school year, and now we're doing it again to see how your thoughts have changed at the end of the year. Please take this. Your responses are anonymous, and they're actually going to help me become a better teacher for next year. It helps me understand what I'm doing well and what I can also improve. So you're just going to click here to go to the survey, and you're going to see something that looks like this. Make sure that you please answer honestly. Your responses will be shared with my supervisor as well. And please base them around the whole year, not just during virtual learning, okay? Not just during virtual learning. This is based on the whole year. Read that carefully, please. Once you're done, you're all good to go and you're ready to start your work. And we're going to go to our choice board. So this week, you can watch a CNN 10-minute news story and complete a writing reflection. Or you can listen or read a podcast about Ahmaud Arbery. He was an innocent black man that was shot while jogging in Georgia. You can read the article here or listen to it. The way you listen to the article instead of reading it, because it is a podcast, so it's meant to be listened to, and it's only a 3-minute listen, is you just click on it and that's it. If you don't want to listen, all you do is read it. It's honestly fairly short. And then you'll answer the writing prompt here. And then your last option is to listen and analyze the powerful poem Mother to Son by Langston Hughes. We have read Langston to Hughes before in class. It's just a different poem. You'll go to the YouTube link. Oops, what just happened? Oh, there we go. You'll go to the YouTube link. You won't get hopefully an ad.
If your gums bleed when you brush, you may have gingivitis, and the clock could be ticking towards
Awkward
bad
ad.
breath, receding gums, and possibly
So
tooth loss.
TikTok.
Turn back the clock on gingivitis with
Oh my gosh.
periodontax.
Brush your
Leave bleeding
teeth.
gums behind. Periodontax.
And then
Well, son,
the poem will start.
tell
So
you.
this is the actual poem, but it's in video form with the text on the screen. You'll watch the
Life
whole
for
thing.
me
Notice
been
it's only
no
1 minute and
crystal stand.
45 seconds long. You'll finish watching it, then you'll go to Flipgrid and record your response. Why is this not working? There we go. Remember, you're going to log in using Google, using your SAISD email credentials. And you will see the questions that you'll answer. That's all for this week, and that's a wrap. Remember that if you do all 3, you can win some giveaways. Have a good day, y'all.